thing on. Is it on? Hey guys, what's up? I'm in Withlacoochee State Forest. Earlier this morning, dropped my dog Moose off at the vet to get neutered. Poor guy. And anyways, I had a few hours to kill, so I came out the trail. So a little spot I've never been to before. So plan is come, post up, maybe make some lunch, maybe carve something, or maybe just take a nap in a hammock. I don't know. I really don't have that much time, actually. Got like maybe 4 or 5 hours. So I guess I'm probably just gonna hike in just far enough till I find a decent enough spot to post up and play around. So yeah, stay tuned. You know how things never happen, like when you're recording, it happen when you're not. So I came off the trail, this little like kind of open area, and as you can see kind of behind me, there's a lot of thick brush. Anyway, so I was just walking around and all of a sudden the brush like exploded and all this stuff, and scared the crap out of me. Anyway, it was like 3 or 4 pretty large deer. But yeah, no, they got me. I'm guessing they were just laying down there, you know. But yeah, they got me. I thought I was gonna have to throw these hands, you know, knock a Bambi out. I'm just kidding, I wouldn't do that. Anyway, I think it's probably a pretty good spot. Mostly I'm just looking for a place to put my hammock up to sit down. I'm gonna have to be careful though, because there's tons of leaf litter, and if I'm gonna have a fire, then I need to definitely, you know, be conscious of that and clear it out. I carried in like 3 liters of water, so just because. So I have plenty to put it out, and I think there's a river close by, or it might be a different section, I'm not sure. Anyway, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. So I'm gonna look around just a little bit more, but most likely this is where I'm gonna set up. Hey, you know, like when you're having your kid's birthday party and you get balloons, it's all cool and the kids are all excited, and you know, kids want to see what happens when you let them go. You know what happens to them? They end up in the woods. Right here, see? Big, shiny, smelly thing for animals to eat and choke on and die. So, and best case scenario is just freaking more litter in the woods. So don't do this. Don't do this. Suppose you're trash. Come on, guys. You're better than that. Better than that. Well, that's working nicely. I just got that Scotch auger for my birthday. My good friend Will gave it to me for my birthday. My first time using it. You know, I looked around for different projects and everything, and some of the things some of the other guys have built, and I came across this, you know, using the auger to build your own little rocket stove out of softwood, like pine. I was like, that sounds cool. I could do that. And man, so my first time, so my technique's pretty sloppy, I think, and it was harder than I thought to get it started. Also, for anybody that doesn't know me personally, I recently filleted my thumb open, so I can barely use my thumb, my dominant hand, and that's caused me all kinds of problems. I thought it was healed up enough, but it still opens up a little bit, and like, it just sucks. Did it wood carving at home, like not even out here like with an axe or anything. I was like, carving something stupid. I think I was carving my dog. Anyway, beside the point. The pine rocket stove is working out pretty good. So it's just I think it was a north side, you know, Mexican blend rice or whatever with some fajita flavored chicken. It's whatever Walmart brand. I'd never seen it before. I figured, hey, let's try it. Really super hungry. I just know that I will be at some point, and later when I have Moose, I don't want to stop anywhere. You know, it's like an hour drive. I just want to get him home because he's, you know, surgery and all the pain meds and everything, and just feel really bad for the guy. So yeah, so just kind of quick and easy. I think I'm doing pretty good on time. That's been like my biggest concern about this whole thing is the time frame, because I, you know, got to get back to pick him up. Like, I don't want to be late. If anything, I want to be really early in case like there's a chance you know, he's discharged earlier. I don't know, do they discharge animals from vets from surgery? Is it still called that? I don't know. Release him, release the cry. Anyway, I think I'd probably just have to wait like maybe like 10 minutes or so for the rice to cook. We'll see. So after that, it's chow time. So even though, like I said, I'm not that hungry, there's always room for tacos, period. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this set up right here while I go make my tacos. I mean, all I'm really doing is scooping stuff out onto the thing. I'm gonna add some hot sauce to it. Some green, I don't know, verde sauce, I don't know what it's called. Let's go look. That's what I picked up. And here's what we're dealing with. Yeah, that is washed out. Chicken, Spanish rice, pepper jack cheese, and this stuff. Man, it looks good. I should probably wait for the stuff to melt the cheese, but even though, like I said, I wasn't hungry, I'm actually too excited not to eat. Man, well, hot sauce got a kick to it. Woo. A little bit of a kick. That is good though. I've been like craving tacos and I haven't had any in a while, so this worked out great. That's really good. I should have been not lazy, and I should have brought an onion and diced up some avocado, I think. Make it, yeah, make it real spectacular. Yeah, boy. Man, that was spectacular. I guess I'm using that word today. I'm just gonna sit in the hammock for a little bit. And then I still have like a little over 2 liters of water. So before I go, I'll dump the rest of it out on there and then cover everything up and make it to where you would never know that I was here. So leave no trace, right? So leave no trace, fire safety, all that stuff. So you ever get freaked out by lizards? Yeah, they're coming right for me, man. Wow, that's probably gonna do it for me today. Like I said, I'm just gonna hang out for a little bit and then leave and go back to the vet and just sit there nervous and sad for the next couple hours, I guess. So I just, you know, you probably have kids and dogs and stuff, right? You know what I'm talking about. I'm paranoid, can't help it. Anyway, thanks for joining me. I'll see you guys next time. Hey, buddy.
Hey, where's Daddy? Oh, where's Daddy?
Who's that?
Oh, no jump, no jump, no jump.